is everybody? My name is C5 Colson and I'm about to hang out with this dude that has like the craziest Corvette. I don't know if y'all seen him on Instagram, but yeah, his car is insane. So we're about to meet up and record some videos. I was gonna do a POV drive, but I lost the clip to my hat, so I'm gonna have to order that because I know y'all like those a lot. But if you haven't watched the last video, make sure to watch it out because I did the clears. But all right, I'm gonna go. I don't want to be late. Guys, I just arrived. Dude, this guy's Corvette is insane. Look at this thing, dude. It's crazy. I think this thing's Kim too. Alright guys, he left his hazards on and his car unlocked. Guy's car is freaking insane. Right now we're about to go wash our cars and then we're going to flick up and he's gonna talk about his car in a second. Alright guys, we're going to a spot near the lake. I'm gonna pick y'all up then. So guys, I really like my C5, but dude, Legends is insane. I'm sure y'all seen it on TikTok. If y'all haven't, he's pretty big on there. But dude, his car is crazy. And it smells so good because it's E85.
Okay, what's up guys? My name is Legend, NV Productions on Instagram with 2 Ys. This is my single turbo C5 Corvette. I got it about a year ago on a stock 6.0 and a shitty turbo kit. Blew it up within 2 weeks, and me and Ryan with R Racing completely rebuilt this from the ground up. It's got a fully built 5.3, forged internals, built heads, cammed, all the goods. And we went ahead and went with an 88mm turbo. This thing might be a little bigger than my head. Fully custom exhaust by R Racing. We had to cut into the frame to make it go down. There's not a lot of space in these engine bays here, despite being such a long front end with the Corvettes. But we made it work. It's gonna be pushing around 30 pounds, probably making around 1,200 horsepower. Just balls to the wall. I wanted to go as fast as possible. And I wanted it to look a little good too. Powder coated with the purple and the chrome on the black. This is a nice little 3 colorway I got going on. And back here, we ended up going with some custom forged beadlocks from Alibaba. We get the brand name, we got Colossians 3:17 on there. Only cost me $1,700 despite the $2,000 a wheel it would have costed in America. Definitely worth it. They look amazing, they feel great. If you come back here, when you make so much horsepower, you gotta have a way to stop. That's why we threw a parachute on it. It's not yet hooked up. I haven't pulled it, but hopefully soon we'll be pulling it on a highway, just test it out. Then a nice little chrome drag wing to go with the chrome wheels and the turbo piping up there. One to all kind of flow together. We got some nice Facebook Marketplace carbon fiber fenders. It is real carbon. If you look in here, we got Z06 seats. The car came with them. He told me it was a Z06, he lied.
Yeah, the Z06 isn't gonna look the same.
I didn't know that at the time, but it's okay because this is probably faster than the ZR1.
It's so loud in here, dude. I can't get over his car. It's so freaking cool. Me and him, both of our cars have like had huge transformations. Let me know, guys, which one are you taking though? All right, guys, what is up? I know y'all been wanting to see a POV drive, so highly anticipated. I got y'all. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. My car is completely different now. You know, I got the tint, clear tail lights. I've done a few things. I went ahead and changed the settings so fast. I had it too like warped, but this should be better. But yeah, guys, it's been a while. I'm gonna start doing these more like y'all want, y'all, because y'all really like to just hear me yap and drive at the same time. So I don't really have like a destination of where I'm going. I'm just kind of just driving, but there's been a lot of cops recently, so I may have to roll the windows down. I don't remember how windy it gets, and I don't want to get on y'all's nerves, so. Let me know if y'all liked me hanging out with that Envy guy. He's really chill, man. He has a sick car, and I would love to, you know, make more videos like that. Not even with just him. Like, I want to make more with him, but like with other people and just hanging out with people collabing. I would love to start doing that more. I need to really start getting out there. I just posted a video too that has 100,000 likes on TikTok, or not TikTok, Instagram. On TikTok it has 40,000, which that is crazy. I've never gotten that much. I've gotten like 40,000 before, but I've never got anywhere near like 100,000. And especially in that time of like, or that fast of a time span for the 40,000 likes, I don't know, it's freaking crazy. The car's been healthy, if y'all been wondering. I've had no issues. So if y'all are still debating on buying a C5, definitely do it. I have no regrets. I am trying to buy a daily pretty soon. I want to buy a mini truck, specifically the Nissan hardbody. I really like the Toyota ones, but for some reason the hardbody, like, I don't know, like I just feel like it just looks really cool. It's really unique. So let me know if y'all would like to see a build on that, because I'm definitely gonna lower it, but blast pipes, you know, clear taillights too. Just do it in my own style. So if y'all are new here, when I do POVs, I normally just talk the entire time, and my fans really like it, so I'm not gonna stop doing that. If y'all want like a true POV, let me know, I can do that. But this is just my own style. But I'm about to start spamming these inside of my videos. Like, I'm gonna do an oil change, I'm gonna record that, I'm gonna do a POV with that. I'm not gonna just like only do POVs strictly, because that's just not what I want my channel. I don't want my channel to be like slop, you know what I mean? I really need to log back in the gym. I've been pretty locked out. If y'all watch me or follow me, I go to the gym too, and I'm pretty like into it. I'm into like the science-based. I'm into all that. But I've been a little bit locked out because of graduation. I've been like eating like crap all day. I don't regret it, because weight can be lost, memories can't. You know what I mean? Like, so I don't regret it. Muscles come, you know, physique comes back. So today I am gonna go hit pool day, or so back, because I don't know, that just sounds really fun to me today. I've been playing tennis, so I don't know if that really counts, but even then I haven't really been doing that. I've been really kind of just laying around and playing games. But I'm about to start working too, so won't be able to do that anymore. I'm officially graduated. It really hasn't fully hit me yet, like I said in the last video, but definitely happened. Like, I picked up my diploma yesterday. It's really crazy. I'm gonna start to see who's fake and who's not, you know what I mean? I always see if any of my friends are over there. Picking up the DJI Osmo pretty soon, and then after that I think I'm gonna get the DJI Nano, because if I like the POVs, I should pick up something that does the POVs better, because the GoPro, like, it's good, but it's just in your face. Like, it's the only thing I see. I don't I'm driving. And the DJI Nano is tiny and the quality is amazing. Sounds. Like this guy is cutting up right here. I don't know what's going on. Alright guys, I hope the white balance is better. I had the white balance a little too bright, so y'all couldn't really see. Hopefully it looks better. Sorry about that. This is such a random stop sign. It's nice. Nice little Ranger, like a, not Ranger, a Raptor. Got a little pre-runner style. I like this. Dang, dude. Flying around in this. I'm actually just gonna go around. Forces. I love the way this car sounds. That wasn't even full throttle either. That's just like a little bit. Yeah, like on Instagram and stuff, bro, I've been really blowing up. Like I said, I got the 100,000 likes. I'm in the built group chat now with all the C5 people, which is super cool. Like I was talking to Mike, if y'all know him. I was talking to the guy that makes Lucky Garage, the guy that makes Highway Industry. Like, I'm talking to all of them. And it's like, dang, dude, like all these people I used to look up to, being a little bitty C5 Colson, it's crazy. And to my like lifelong subscribers and stuff, like I've been here from the beginning, I remember y'all, man. I remember you, Soy Boy. I remember all of y'all, man. And I just want to thank all of y'all for watching. CJ, like all of them, thank y'all, man. Y'all have really seen my car transform, especially like people that have been here since the very beginning when I had the other wheels and I had the other lights and everything. It's like, dang. I've done 18 mods and every single one of them I've said, this is my favorite, or I think I'm going to slow down. But I'm starting to realize there is no slowing down. I see it as like an investment because like I'm posting videos too and y'all like to see them. It's not me just throwing my money away. Uh-oh, police officer. I'm taking my hat off. Oh. My bad, guys. Ooh, you hear that? It's the sound of Cam's Corvette. Yeah, no, I'm just not trying to get pulled over by these cops. There's been a lot of cops in this area. This road is so bouncy. It was so bad before I got the coilovers because yeah, it's stiffer, but I would just bottom out. Like, that was bad. This isn't near as bad. I love that so much. I'm into stance cars, but I will always love the power on this C5. It just feels so good. I can't imagine being in like Envy's, dude. That feels like insane. It's literally like a jet at that point, bro. You're in a missile. I've just been really missing having a truck. That's why I really wanted like a daily. Because before I had this, I had a really nice truck. It had a lot of miles, but the interior is like perfect. And honestly, I don't feel like miles mean that much. Like, some cars can handle it. But yeah, I had a lot of miles. But I freaking missed that. Like, I would honestly even consider getting like a drop cat eye. But I just think a mini truck would just be really fun and like a really cool build to do too. I'm definitely gonna get a manual one because I just love manual. It's just being able to do that. It's just so fun. Or being able to just rev it, like putting the clutch in or putting in neutral, like that's just so much more fun and engaging. Like I enjoy driving an automatic car. Like, I'll be driving my mom's car a lot, and the automatic in that just feels amazing. It's a Lexus, so I really like that. And that's honestly one of my end goals, or not end goal, but like one of my goals is to get a Lexus. But as of now, being just fresh out of high school, something I feel like it's a realistic goal of mine is to buy a $6,000 Nissan hardbody, single cab, slammed. You know, that's just what I feel like would be the ideal situation. If you made it to the end of the video, guys, I just want to thank all of y'all for watching. I know y'all really like the POVs, so I'm going to continue making these. Like I said, I'm going to fix the lighting because I didn't realize the tint would kind of mess it up. But yeah, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.